Hi, today we have Opel Astra H model with 1.9 CDTI engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter. I'm going to start by raising the vehicle because the oil filter is located at the lower side of the engine. I have raised the vehicle, so now I'm going to open these 4 bolts with a screwdriver. And I'm going to lower the plastic cap, and then we can see the oil filter. The oil filter is located here and can be opened with a 32mm wrench. I am opening the oil filter with 32mm wrench, and at some point it's starting to leak oil. This one is for draining the oil from the filter, so not to make a lot of mess. It's going to leak only through this hole. Now that the oil filter is drained, I'm going to remove it completely. I have removed the oil filter, so now I'm going to open the plug. The plug can be opened with a 13mm wrench. I have loosened the plug, and the plug is having holes in it, so when I open it a little, it's leaking all the oil. I don't have to remove the whole plug to drain the oil. While I wait for the oil to drain, I'm going to install the new oil filter. Here I have new oil filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle, and inside there should be 2 rubber seals. I removed the old one with a small screwdriver. I have installed a new one, and now I'm going to install the filter. And now I can install the filter assembly into the oil filter housing. Now I'm turning clockwise to tighten it. I'm gonna need the spanner tool. I have tightened the oil filter with a 32mm spanner key. And now I'm going to tighten the plug with a 13mm wrench. I have tightened the plug. Now I can return the plastic cover, tighten it with a screwdriver. Now I can lower the vehicle, refill with oil, and replace the air filter. I have lowered the vehicle, so now I'm going to remove the air filter. To open the air filter, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5, 6 bolts with Torx 25, and also probably I'm gonna have to open this metal clamp here or here, doesn't matter, so I can remove the plastic cover. I have removed the air filter housing. Now I can remove the air filter. Now you can see it's in a very bad condition. So now I'm going to install the new one. But first I'm going to clean the inside of the air filter housing. Here I have new air filter that I'm going to install on the vehicle. I have installed the air filter. Now I'm going to install the plastic cover. I have tightened the 6 bolts with Torx 25, also this metal clamp. So now I'm going to refill with oil. I'm going to refill it with 530. I have refilled it with 4.3 liters of oil. So now I'm going to check on the oil dipstick. So now we can see the oil is a little more over the max, but the vehicle is not started. So when I start the engine, it's going to overfill the oil filter and the oil will be exactly on the max. So now I'm going to reset the service. To reset the service, I have to press and hold this button and turn the ignition on. So you can see the inspection is illuminated, and after that I have to press the brake pedal and release the button. Then the inspection is resetted. And now I just have to recheck the oil level. I have cleaned the oil dipstick. And now we can see the oil is a little lower of the max. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.